Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you doing well. So if you want the One UI 8.5 icons in the glass style, so that is possible with this new trick. So first of all, you will have to download this application with the name of One UI 8.5 icons from the Play Store app, and after that you just have to go into the Good Luck application and then you have to tap on theme park over here. You can install this Good Luck application from the Galaxy Store app, and after that simply tap on theme park, and now from here you will have to tap on icons option which will be present in the bottom. Now from here tap on create new. Now from here tap on this icon option. Now select icon pack, and now you have to select the One UI 8.5 icons. And once it is selected, you just have to simply tap on effects option over here, and now tap on this glass option. You can also modify different things with this glass option, like the edges, the light, the angle. You can modify it like the way you like it. And once you have customized it, now you have to tap on this download option that is present in the top right corner. After tapping on this download option in the top right corner, you just have to simply name it, then you can save it on your device. And once it is saved, you just have to simply tap on OK, then you can just select the icon pack that you have just saved. Simply click on the icon pack you have saved, then tap on apply, and the changes will be applied, and now you can get the One UI 8.5 icons in the glass style. But the sad part about this trick is that not all the icons are changed with the One UI 8.5 style. Only the folders and some of the applications are changed, as I think that only these are the applications which are optimized with the glass icon effect. I really hope that Samsung will add the One UI 8.5 glass icon soon with the new update. After changing some transparency, this is the max you can get with the glass icons. Further, if you talk about the glass effect, so you might also get to see the glass effect in the control panel like you get to see in the iOS. Not similar to this, but most probably you will get to see something like this in the control panel, as you already have the pill-like menu bar in the clock application. These are the One UI 8.5 apps that you will get with the official update. This is how the reminder apps looks like. As you guys can see, it also has this pill-like menu option over here. So there are high chances that you might get to see the control panel as well in the glass type effect. And that's a wrap for today's video. This is how you can apply the glass icons on your phone. Try this out and let me know in the comment section that are you excited about the One UI 8.5 update or not. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.